Article 165, Sub-Article 3 and Sub-Article 4 of the Constitution provide for empanelment of benches of an even number of judges as follows. Permit me not to go through that. In dealing with the above issue, courts have taken two diametrically opposite positions. One of them being that the assignment of judges is a constitutional duty which can only be undertaken by the Honorable Chief Justice. As such, the Honorable DCJ cannot assign judges under Article 165, Sub-Article 4 of the Constitution. The other position posits that although the duty to assign judges is provided for in the Constitution, its implementation is administrative, and that duty can be undertaken by the Honorable DCJ. In Kenya Medical Research Institute versus AG, which was a three-judge bench of this court, held as follows. They quote, paragraph 37. Therefore, by empaneling this bench, the Chief Justice was carrying out his constitutional mandate as opposed to similar functions under the former Constitution, which were hinged on the constitutional provisions and were merely administrative, end of quote. In Leina, Conchela, and others, which was a five-judge bench of this court, the court went ahead and described the role of the Chief Justice under Article 165.4 as constitutional as opposed to a merely administrative function. It also said, it is our view that a constitutional mandate of the CJ can be judicial, administrative, or political, and the current Constitution does not indeed state that the Chief Justice is the head of the judiciary which embodies all these functions. The learned judges in that empaneled bench then found that the constitutional mandate exercised by the CJ under 165.4 of the Constitution is an administrative function. The court also elaborately dealt with the issue as to whether such an administrative function could be undertaken by the Honorable DCJ, and in the end, the court rendered itself as follows. I quote paragraph 78. It therefore our finding that constitutional function of the CJ to Okoiti versus JSC and another, it is constitutional petition number E408 of 2020, as buttressing the position that the assignment of judges is a constitutional mandate and the sole preserve of the Honorable the Chief Justice. The decision was delivered by yours truly, who is part of this expanded bench.